I drop board knees, sunshine, smile beams. If you're feeling hungry, I'm your quarter pound of cheese. But if you're feeling angry, I'm your punch bag release. But don't go too wild, you might knock out my teeth. What's the kidneys beneath? I'm only weed high, still on the sheets. I still read a Beano every night after tea, cause I'm drawing inspiration for the next thing to be. Then it's back to when I used to shape shift and shift right back. Before I picked up the mic and started writing rhymes, I could alter my form at any given time. Shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shape, shift, shift, shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shift, shape, shape, shift, shift, shape, shift.
Transmute, alter, morph, switch, I am lawless, you're myth. Transmute, alter, morph, switch, I am lawless, you're myth.
Sport for choice, now my cranium aches, cause my brain's in overdrive, all over the place. Inspiration's running through my veins. Just turn my fist into a golf stop, think I might have to taste. I'm like a space, few steps out of this world. Search the tablet of my mind across the ocean I felt. Brainwaves help me to sail, hope me prevail. Push me to shore so I can be sure of myself. Now if you had these powers, tell me now, what would you do? Would you morph into the devil? Would you help to improve the foundation of society? What would you lose? Or would you morph into a yard and help your mama to move? I need some new shoes, about to turn my feet into some Jordan